Okay, so once upon a time, before World War II, there was a man whose age is 44 or 45 years, and he fall in love with a woman having age like 22 years, means half of his age. So both of them got married, and they were living in an apartment, and that woman told that man to build a temple for her, like Taj Mahal. So that man built temple for his woman, and they were living in the temple, and that woman was living in the superior or upper portion, and that man was living in the inferior portion. But when it comes to the shopping, when it comes to the spending the wealth, that man was in front, means he was spending his wealth, and he was front in all the bills and all the kind of the uh, investments that were coming for the shopping for his woman. And in this way they were living together and they were very happy, and there was a connection also uh, between them, and they have also a cat as a pet. So now we will recall all of these, that the man had the name Broca, that man has name Broca, and woman has name Wernicke. So in this way we will link these both of the things, like Broca's area is found in the inferior frontal gyrus of the cerebral cortex, and Brodmann area is 44 and 45, while that Wernicke's area lies in the superior temporal region, and its Brodmann area is 22. They had Kate, means the linking fibers are arcuate fibers which are connecting both of these, and the lesion of Broca's area, a person will have broken words, and a lesion in Wernicke's area, a person will have no broken word but comprehension will be difficult. So in this way we can memorize both of these things, and we can interrelate both of these concepts by memorizing this very nasty kind of man who was very tricky. He tricked that woman, and but the woman also demanded a temple for her living, and that she was living in the superior apartment of the temple, and that man was living in the inferior. But when it comes to the bills of restaurants and all the kind of stuff, that man was investing, and that man was paying for the bills, and Broadman area was 44 and 45. Age of that man was 44 and 45 years, while the age of that woman was 22, means Broadman area of Wernicke was 22. And interlinking fibers were arcuate fibers, while lesion in arcuate fibers will be there will be anomic aphasia. Broca's aphasia has broken words,